Okay, so this works. Okay, so I've been doing stuff that it's not been working, and it's been annoying me. I tried streaming earlier today. Did not work. Okay, there we go. Yay. So now that I know that I can actually mute myself, this will work. Let me just test it again. Yes. Okay. So I'm happy, and I know that this one will save. The other one didn't. I'll show what happened from there. So I created this character. I didn't exactly get her colored in at all. I did that way off strand. So yeah. But I'm creating a little OC challenge for me because I cannot draw characters consistently over and over again. So this is a test for me so that it can help me in the long run. So I'm going to create a relatively simple character. I'm going to dress her differently every time I stream. And yeah, just have a different appearance. Maybe a little. Yeah, it is. Okay. So I'm going to test again because I really do not want to. I'm just muting and unmuting my mic so that I don't have to like redo the whole process of like what is it, ending and restarting the entire stream because that's just annoying. So yeah, now that I can just simply do stuff, yeah, I guess it's better. I keep testing because I want to make sure that it doesn't suddenly stop working. So I am going to create a girl for all of these because, and only because, that's where my comfort zone is. And I do not have a good comfort zone. Creating male characters, so yeah. I want it to be a little complicated just to challenge me. And I know in the long run it is going to challenge me because creating the same character over and over again is like terrible. For me at least. I just cannot with it. So yeah, I think this first one will establish her. I don't know what her overall character is going to be like, but I'm thinking I want to put it all on one page just so that we can see if I have been able to keep it as the same character or not. So I can make it more challenging by giving her freckles and they'll move like all over the place and that's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, I usually draw such small characters, I've been realizing like lately. I'm thinking that she'll have a circle torso and kind of like a petite. She's gonna be like a petite girl, like a broad shoulder. She's gonna be petite with a broad shoulder. Broad shoulder and like petite kind of hips. Is that or like that looks so stupid. I'm gonna connect it properly. So she'll probably have like a square kind of front, like so it goes from kind of like the normal like hockey or like football kind of type boy. But like in a more female form, which of course is normal in the real world, but like it's not seen as much in drawing because body language. I gotta tell I keep testing just because I want to make sure that it works. I have an orthodontist appointment tomorrow, so no clue if they're gonna like change out my braces, possibly get palate spreader off. I've got no clue. I don't know. I highly doubt it's palate spreader good enough. So I'm thinking that she's a pretty confident girl. So like she holds herself. It's like, that looks so stupid. I put her little joint out a little too far. I did not place a spot for her feet, so I'm gonna place them there. Oh, that's looks so short. I'm pulling in too much. The picture as a whole, pulling it in too much. So for now, I want to work on her base design. That should go in, not out. I cannot draw same shoes. I have different shoe syndrome. Yay. Those feet look so big in comparison to the rest of her body. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. Because like the rest of her body is not like that. Foot's gotta be forward. Like her head isn't even that big. So I want to just scrap this. I think I'll do that. I want to make her bigger. I want her to be bigger. Hello! How was your day? Just looked over at my screen and saw someone joined. I don't know. I'm starting over because that was too small. But like, I don't know if you were here during my whole monologue, but oh, thank God, that's so much better. But overall, I'm planning to use this as a challenge for more myself in drawing the same character over and over again in different kind of situations. So for this first day, I'm gonna base it on just the character herself, and then I'll go kind of from there. Last stream was a little bit of a flop. I disliked it. I don't know. Do I want it to be like conventional? Is that bigger? Does that feel any bigger? I don't know. Okay. So she's gonna have like tiny ears. I wanted to do a side profile. Maybe she'll be like a little, like have high jawbone. I don't usually. Looks terrible if I don't do that correctly. There we go. That looks better. Do that. It looks better. And I want her to have broad shoulders. I'm doing a girl for this because that's where my comfort zone is. And yeah, I'm hoping to be able to properly draw her over and over again by the end of this, and I don't care how many days it really takes. I kind of have an infinite amount of days until I'm like 20, and I'll have Tuesday 18. I mean, it's like, I don't know. Yeah. Ow! Just hit my nail against my knuckles. So her spine. think she'll have a little more of a slouch spine. Kind of like, it's like emo kind of girl, but she's not really emo. She just wants to fit in with her friends. Her little bodice part. She'll have convention. Let's go into her pockets. She'll be wearing jeans. I've been practicing drawing jeans. I got it was kind of okay in this one. I tried to stream that. The stream kept failing. Fun, isn't it? So she'll have kind of like a nervous look. Cause like, yeah, this needs to be a little shorter. Like, it's gonna end right there. Okay, this will definitely be better because this is bigger than my normal one. Keep needing to test the unmute and mute because streaming was failing last time. Might be because if I'm bad internet, but like, yeah. I don't know. Would she be a hoodie type of girl or no? I don't know. It's like, I'm thinking that she loves dresses in the sense that they help her figure, but she doesn't like, she loves the flowiness of them, but her friends don't like them, so she's like, dresses, ew. I don't know. I'm thinking that she's like, kind of like high school level. She's like pretty thin. There you go. She's like kind of like this model figure that everyone wants to be, but like she really dislikes it because like she thinks that her shoulders are way too broad, so she likes to hide her shoulders. She dislikes them quite a lot. I don't know. She hates her shoulders because like her arms are like super tiny and she didn't work at all for her shoulders. She's like, if I don't work for them, then they're just so not worth it. So pocket. That's how pocket totally works. This is totally how figure works. No, maybe I want to like take this down a bit. There we go. So her hands are hidden, I know, lazy. But like, I don't know. She just wouldn't be the type to want to have her hands on display all the time. These are so obnoxiously huge pockets. There we go. I should probably draw these pants first before trying to decide where the pockets go, because that would make sense. I'm thinking that she's like hockey figure, kind of like, or the typical man figure that like goes from this like broad shoulders into this like tiny waist thing. It's what most men are typical with, so that's what I'm thinking for her. She's gonna be kind of like that old jock kind of girl. Her leg is not that long. I think that they would be kind of long though, because she used to be this like jockey girl. which is why she was never one for gymnastics, but she loved a good game of, I think we'll do hockey in this case, but she'll have that on her. So we'll do raptor legs. She hates those as well. She hates her little raptor legs, because they taper in and then they go boom. That's what some do. And now it goes like boom. Look really good on her, but like she's just like, I don't like them. I'm just over the whole raptors. Yeah. I don't know what she would be in terms of sexuality and stuff. I don't know. Would she be straight? Would she be would she be bi? Would she be a lesbian? I don't know. Maybe she's really attracted to one of her friends, hockey teammates, but she's like, I don't want to go back to do that. So I don't know. I haven't really thought that too much into her. I'm just kind of like spewing ideas out into the open, so that she has some nice raptor legs. I have to pinpoint on the raptor legs because they're a huge part of her character. They're one of her insecurities. And she has this tiny neck. Maybe she should have a thicker neck to go with the rest. Yeah, no, thicker neck. So that it actually looks like her head is stable. And now she looks disgusting. Not really disgusting. I know like one kid in a school selection with like a huge neck. He's pretty awesome. So I think that actually works. That looks nice. She looks really stable for a high schooler. Stable in her figure. She just does not like how broad her shoulders are, how tiny her waist is, and her raptor legs that she built up from hockey. She did not originally have raptor legs. Maybe just a little bit of knee. I don't know how to make that go in. So like this foot is like kind of hidden behind there. So yeah, no, it would definitely be behind there. So her jeans are like these high waist things. It's like those have like huge waistlines. And these like kind of like that. Then the pockets kind of have to be like off there. She wears like boys' pockets because like, yeah. Because like then she can fit her hands in there. There we go. Still working on how to figure out how to make pockets a thing. Like that. Okay, there we go. This is also just to say women have no good pockets. They suck. So I've noticed kind of with men's jeans. What the hell is in my mouth? Ew, what is that? Ew, what is that? What the hell is that? I have no clue what the fuck was in my mouth. Oh my god. Okay, well, let's do this. And that. Oh, I love those. Okay. There we go. Like that. Ow, what the fuck was that? Ew, like, I don't think she would be that kind of, like, crop top girl, but, like, I don't know. I love the skin color. Would this be, like, a good skin color for her? I don't know. I like the orange part of it. I don't know. She wouldn't be lacy. Type of girl. Oh, hi. Yeah, I have a pencil. It's a very fancy pencil. It has lead and everything. Yes, it's a pencil. I use pencils. I hate mechanical pencils. I don't know what it is about them. I can't stand them. Maybe it's because it's like plastic or something. You know, there's an art stream called In the Car. I have no clue what that is. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Nice space. Oh, thank you. Yeah. I just work off of the crayon and stuff. Ooh, or would you have one of those sassy, like, this idea that I felt some girls in my school like have, say awesome. Some of the girls in my school have these weird sweatshirts that don't even cover them properly and go to like here and stuff and like fly off of you, and I don't understand the whole pull of them. They are so weird. Just don't understand. It's so weird. That's awesome. I can never stick with an OC, which is why I think that this is going to be the best challenge for me, because it's so hard for me to redraw the same character over and over again. I attempted to do it with like these two, but it kind of failed because like I drew a back picture instead of like a front picture because like I gave up halfway. I'm guessing it's so that they can attract people well. In the car? What? Oh, yeah. For a second I was like, what? Yeah, but we're middle schoolers. We are middle schoolers. Why do you need to date someone? I just don't understand the whole pull of it. So this character's gonna get it because I feel like it. Then I realized that would totally be her. She's like, I'm sassy, but yeah. It covers, like, barely any of their belly button, but, like, just don't understand it. Can't. This needs to be lower. Yeah. I just don't understand the whole pull of it. Like, we're literal middle schoolers. Yeah, that exact. Yeah, it's a great eraser. I love it. I love it so much, and I'm almost out of it, which is why my mom decided to buy this. It's so awesome. I love it. I love this type of eraser because then when I run out of the pencil mark, I used to like replace every single pencil after like this little part up here died because like I'm wasteful like that. Oh yeah. I gotta look up a reference for like how those stupid things look. They're so stupid. I hate them. I just don't understand. Cropped sweatshirt. That what? Cropped hoodie. There we go. Yeah. They're so ridiculous. Twitter's for the most fake artists. I don't know. I haven't exactly dipped my toes in any of those quite yet. It's like, I don't like keeping up with stuff, but I know that it's going to help me end up being, just give me a portfolio for myself and stuff. But yeah, I guess, maybe. It just depends what kind of people you find on there, I guess. I don't know. Ew. Ew, no, look at, okay. This is upsetting for me. This is just upsetting. Ew. Like, what is that? That does not, no. Ew. I'm sorry if you, like, actually like these, but, like, I don't like them. They're so obnoxious and so pointless. Because, like, if you're gonna get a sweatshirt, wear the sweatshirt. Just wear it properly. Okay, this one's cute. I like this one. No, I don't want to go to the actual site. Yeah. I don't understand. It's like the whole pull of it is just adjustable crop. I want to open the new image, but okay. Fine, internet. That's cute that my grandma's toes. Yeah. It's so pointless. It's just so pointless. Which is why my character gets it. It's exactly. Cause like if you can't pull it off yourself, then your character gets to pull it off. So yeah. And she's a high schooler. She has reason to pull it off. She doesn't do it for the boys and stuff. She does it for the views on TikTok. Yes, the views on TikTok are way more important than boys. Yeah. I feel so stupid saying that. Sweatshirt kind of does like that. And that. Oh, I like that. Okay, I like that. I hate how it's looking. Me walking, talking to my friends. The guy in the back of the hallway. Hello, I'm from ancient Greece. Yeah. Yeah. I'm like throwing all of my things around. Oh my god. Yeah. People are nutso these days. With good reason, I should say. With good reason. In some cases. Other reasons, yeah, no, you have no reason to be nutso. I don't know. People in my school these days, oh, I love it. I just love the quiet classroom. Because, like, in middle school, in my town, we're having, well, at least at mine, I'm sure, in mine, we're having, like, these hybrid things. I have no clue what other places do this, because I do not do research. But, like, I forgot what I was gonna say. Cause, like, I like the hybrid, cause it has half and half. All the girls in my school want to be the cuties in the movie, you know how bad they want. Ew. I don't understand it. Ugh. Yeah, they want to be the cuties in the movies. But, like, what's the point? Just get your grades up so that you can go to college. Then you can be, like, looking for all the people. I was gonna say men, but, like, at this point, you can't just say men. Because, like, it's everywhere. You gotta get every single person under your spell. Otherwise, what's the point? No, that... Oh my god. Oh no, I'm having too much fun with this. This girl is way too sassy. She's sassier than all them girls in school. She just wants to be like the most popular girl on TikTok, cause that's what's most important these days. Literally, we were playing Kahoot in class. For me, I hate the scariest movies, Kahoot. That gave me nightmares. Even Freddy Krueger's like, oh hell no. I don't know what the cuties are. I would look it up, but what I'm using is my school Chromebook. And they like to block literally everything. And I can't use my phone because that's what I'm streaming on. So, fun. So much fun. What brand? Don't look it up. Oh, I will when this is over. I will promise you. I'm looking at it. I'm gonna write it somewhere. Where can I write it? Let's write it on the back of this. So we're looking up the cuties after this. Okay. Now that's on something that I probably will never remember to look at. Let's just say the movie. Ew. I'm still gonna look it up though. You can't stop me. My own curiosity is beyond the point of relief. Oh yeah. I have this one friend who just says, "Don't look stuff up." Yeah, no. You either explain it properly or I'm gonna look it up. Either way, I'm looking it up. Are you sure? Oh yeah, I will. I can promise you that. And I'll have new information, and I'll be a better person. The more information that you can end up having is just, like, the best part, because the more information you gather over time will eventually, like, help you in the future so that you're not as dumb, which is, like, true with me, because, like, I used to be this freaking, sweet kind of girl. Oh, well, you'll see. Oh, but they do. I'm not gonna actually watch it. I'll just look up what it is. Yeah. I don't properly watch stuff. I'm gonna so ruin this character with line art. She looks so cute now, but as soon as I start with the line art, I'm gonna die. Yeah. So I'm assuming it's made recently, because all the kids these days are just obsessed with weird twerking things, and I just don't understand it. Forgot my train of thought, but like, you're gonna die, call health support. Don't worry, they won't be here. They won't come. They'll come in like 5 months, sure. I don't know. I don't think that my case would be as important as the other people's. That looks stupid for an eye. Oh my god. Yeah. I gotta work around this. Like, she can't have a super cute eye, because, like, she's not that type of person. I feel like she would put makeup on, but I know I'm gonna ruin her with makeup. Shark Pog. She can't have this huge eye. I want her to... I don't know, because I gotta remember that I have to redraw this. And it's gonna be hard for me, because I cannot redraw things. So what I'm gonna do... Can I do this, like, squinty... That looks so stupid for this character. I don't mean it looks stupid in general, but, like... I'm gonna go through so many different pencil marks just to get this stupid eye right. And then I'm gonna have to mirror it on the other one. Okay. I think I'm kind of happy with that. I think I am. I'm gonna change it later. Eventually. I might. I don't know. Come on. Do the same thing on the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. I cannot mirror you. Please do the same thing on the other side. I kind of like it. This is why you put a paper over another. Yeah. But that's a little too much work for me. And I like just drawing it so that I learn from my mistakes. Because, like, I'm going to pull up a little thing right here. I so want to redraw this character. Because I hate the colors. I hate it. I hate his face. His hair is supposed to be long. He's supposed to be a long Magic Boy hair, boy. You never understand Magic Boy. He just has the worst sense of fashion. Oh god, I sounded so stupid while saying that. And like, I realized that halfway. She'll be looking at her. That eye. God, that eye. God, that eye. Oh my god. disrespectful. But Magic Boy is to be disrespected. He is supposed to be disrespected. If you need anything else, I don't understand what you mean by disrespectful. I'm sorry. I'm changing my mind on this eye. I hate it. I hate it. But I'm gonna have to live with it. It kind of looks cute though. I'm gonna fix it with line art, but I know I'm gonna ruin the rest of the picture. I gotta figure out what type of hair that I want her to have. So I'm gonna look up edgy goth girl hair. If I know how to spell edgy. Edgy. What the? Edgy goth girl hair. Goth girl. There was goth girl names that showed up in recommended. Goth girl hair. Gotta get a reference for what type of edgy goth girl hair I want. Oh god, it's all black. I don't want her to have black hair. It's like, that's boring. I don't think she would be one to dye her hair though. Unless it was like a cool color that's other than black. Okay, I kind of like the one that I just accidentally clicked on. That's kind of cute. I'm gonna steal her bangs. I'm just gonna steal this girl's bangs. And, like, completely mess them up. Okay, never mind. I actually did them good. Okay, never mind. Okay, I like that. Never mind. Did not do this girl an injustice by stealing her hair. Okay. Well, her hair is now mine. Hope you don't mind. I just stole a girl's weave. But, like, it's mine now. Yeah. This is kind of like late for me to like stream. I don't know. For me it feels late, but I don't know. Okay, I like her. I love the hair. Okay. And what's special for me about this character is she looks a little different from the rest. I love it. I love it. Come on. I know I'm gonna forget how to do this eventually. Oh, and another reason why I don't just like throw another piece of paper over it is because to do that, this paper is too thick. It's too thick to see. And it's sad. So I would totally do it. I don't know. It would be really cool, but I love this type of paper. I love it. And now I have now I have a piece of wasted paper. It's going to be so much fun. Do I want her to have a ponytail or no? Just like have her have short hair. I'm going to go with ponytail because that's hard. Actually, no, buns. Screw it. I'm lazy. Buns. I know how to do them. I love that. Okay. I'm loving her. And she gets freckles, but I'm gonna draw those on over after. Yeah. Ew. That's not actually ew, but I'm gonna say ew just cause. I'm like stealing her off the screen. Ooh. I do have to put a little piece of pattern on this. And I myself hate pattern. I'm just not one for too much pattern. So we're gonna put Converse. No, I'm joking. What do I want to do? I could put glue on her. It's like just put a random like slap of this. How do I wanna like? This is gonna be. That looks so stupid. Actually, no. It's Ghost Brand. Nah, it's Duck Brand now. That looks so stupid. Never mind. I'm kidding. No brands. She gets scribble. There you go. Close enough. Okay. So what I always do, and I know that this probably is not the best way, because like pencil cannot be picked up properly after you lay it down and stuff. Like, I know my friends have, like, said, print out liner and after you finished and stuff, but like, I'm like, no. Learning experience, you gotta learn from making stupid mistakes. So I'm gonna learn from my mistake in this and try to color before I take away her major penciling. Actually, no, screw it. No, you get some pencil removed. Taken away some of the stuff. There we go. Good. Okay. I'm always nervous when it comes to this because I know I'll ruin the perfectly good character. I got her jaw. And gotta get her rest of her jaw. I cannot say what I want to say. I could have given her an Adam's apple. That would have been really unique compared to the rest of my characters. I don't know. I wonder what her best friends would look like. Like heavy goth girls. I don't know. So I'd assume her style would be kind of like representative of who the people that she'd hang out with. I don't know. Do I want her to be a heavy goth girl? That's totally some words. Yeah. Totally. Want to say the word, but I know I'm gonna ruin it as soon as I say it. But I want to say it so bad. Like, I'm actually tensing up because, like, this is where I've ruined so many of my characters, is with the frickin' line art. Line art kills my characters. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, wrapped leg. I know I've gone like so quiet, but I'm like so focused. I do not want to screw this girl up, so I'm gonna have to live with it and like reference it for my other. And I need a thinner pencil for that. Come on. Oh God. I'm gonna do this just to save that. Come on. Okay. This is looking good. I like it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Come on. Like, I want her bangs to be kind of broken up a little bit. Like, not totally good bangs. But, like, I don't know. I don't know what the type of feel of bangs she would have. It's like, these little parts are definitely not bangs. Come on. I'm actually kind of surprised. I've done it. I've done it and created a character that I like through the line art. And the only way I can frick this up now is if the pencil ruins it, if my eraser ruins it, or if the colors, which will ruin it. Because I cannot choose colors, because I do not understand the point of color theory, besides colors exist. Come on. Come on. Come on. They did it. I think I just did it. I think I just did it. That should have been broken up, but I do not care because I did it. I created a character. And I actually for my line art in a long while. I like this. Did it. I like it. I'm enjoying it. Okay. Now I gotta wait a while, because otherwise I'm gonna smudge on my lines when I try to erase all the icky pencil. But now we get to pick Goth Girl's colors. Fun. Okay. I'm gonna put her off to my side so that I can see her and reference colors. Would I want her to be blonde? I don't think I would want her to be blonde. I'm thinking maybe brunette will probably do her well. Like brunette and stuff. I've still got to check if the stream is still working. I don't know. Something about it just, I don't know. Maybe, what type of brunette do I want her to be? I have to bring out my skin color palette. I'm thinking she's white. Straight up, she's white. It's been a while since I've drawn, white character. AKA, not today. But I mean, I've drawn, these two. Well, this one's technically not white. It's more I don't have to tell myself that it's not white because she isn't white. This one's not white. I'm more comfortable with creating lighting and stuff with white characters because I'm literally a white person. Caucasian. I should be using that word. That's more appropriate for me to use. I don't know. I can barely see that. Oh, frack. I can barely see it, so it's perfect for my goth girl. You can barely see her skin. I'm kidding. Because I think her background used to be that's too pinky for me. Because do I not have any other colors? It's not directly. I can't argue with it. I kind of like that. I'm gonna use that. She's gonna be yellow. I don't know what type of race that would be directed with, but the yellow and brown, they go together. They are literally two peas in a pod. So I'm using this brown as well for her hair. And then I'll go from there because I want those two colors to be in sync with each other. And then every other color has to go from there. So we'll go with that. I was just going to start coloring. Any of this not dry? Okay, it's all dry. I'm saying dry, but this stuff smudges. I'm using microns, which a lot of people actually use, which is cool because they're really good. I've not been paid to say that, unfortunately. I'm kidding. I'm kidding on that. This looks stupid. Let me erase it. Go erase yourself. Ooh, what should her name be? One of y'all can figure that out. I don't know. I don't want to name her. I just don't think it would be right for me to name her. Shit. Fuck. I don't know. I don't think she would be that socks kind of person. I've like taken her off screen. Fun. As soon as I get her color down on her skin, then I can add her little freckles. Just so what I add for her, because I think that this is the perfect character. Well, perfect challenge for one of my characters to have freckles. And I'm like coloring my black t-shirt. Fun. She looks so yellow. It's so weird. I have not drawn like a properly yellow character in ages. Okay, I like that. I keep looking over on the screen expecting something to happen. I don't know what I think's gonna happen. Like magic beans are gonna pop out of my screen or something. I was just gonna put my eraser in marker. Fun. Where do I want her light to be? Thinking like it's coming down from there. So then that'll cast a little shadow. This will obviously cast shadow kind of like that. And this will cast a shadow more like that. Then this will cast a shadow more like that. It's hard for shadows on like a piece of... I should probably set this color aside so that I remember what color her skin is, because I will forget. Magic beans. Thank you. Magic beans. That could be your favorite type of like thing. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I'm just laughing. I'm so weird. I'm quirky. Yeah, totally. That feels so stupid. That felt so stupid to say that. Oh my god. I love her. I'm loving her. Okay, this is like the first character in a while that I've actually loved, that I've built from a stream and have not fricked up yet. I like her. Okay. This might be me being biased a little bit. I love her. I don't know why I would be biased, technically. It's like, okay, that strand, that strand, that strand. Just go like back like that. Back. I'm liking it. Okay. This, I don't know, do I want to... I should set it out. I'm gonna keep it out so that I know what color her hair is. What color should her eyes be? I didn't think... I immediately went to green, but then I was like, no, not green. No. Green is stupid. Oh, thank God this works in a color. I don't know why I didn't test that out before. It makes it look a little dead, but like, come on, it's blush. What harm can it have? So yeah. Freaking red eyes. I usually go with blue eyes for literally everything because I'm obsessed with like blue eyes. I don't understand why though. Because like, I don't know. ones are so cute. I should just go with brown. Like basic brown or orange. Orange are trying to fall. Fun. That's deep enough. It'll probably just blend into like her skin. But like, I don't know. I need to set these aside as well as eye color. So maybe like that. Did I seriously take out my one? Okay, I did. I have two of the same type of marker. So yeah. But yeah, I definitely took it out. Okay. So this color is now used for both her hair and a little bit of her eye. I love her. I like that. Okay. I'm liking it so far. I love it. I think I'll actually be proud of this in the future. Is this my tiny marker? No, it's not. God. Gonna put that like there. I'm still stealing it off of the screen, which is what I like to do. I gotta do. I think she would have mainly cheek freckles. Kind of like go up there. And like, I don't think she would have any other type of freckles. I like her. Okay, I'm being biased. I love this child. She can have this color sweatshirt. I don't know. I haven't thought much of her literally other than this. I don't know. I gotta figure out what like she want to do in life. I think eventually she'll want to return to being this like jockish character, cause like that's what she feels she loves doing. But like her friends dislike jockey people, so she's like, oh, what should I do? Oh my god. I'm gonna be that typical teenager that says, oh my god, all the time. Because that's what I'm doing all the time. It's so much fun for my parents. Like, yes. I like that. She's gonna have black jeans. That's just what it's gonna come to. Because I don't feel like giving her blue jeans. Because this is already blue. And I did that without thinking. So now she gets black shoes and black jeans. Gray jeans. I'm gonna say do gray jeans. And because I'm a child. Well, no, I'm not really that much of a child anymore. Because I'm like 13. I cannot be calling myself a child anymore. Where's gray? I'm gonna do 4 and... Do I have 2? Where's 2? There's 2. I'm saying 4 and 2 because that's Copics. Copixes. Okay, kind of like that. I think I like that a lot more than I would have liked the blue. I don't know why. I'm just liking that. And then her pockets as well. Get to get to be 2. They also get to be 2 years old. The Copics just do not fit in the rest with my other markers. My other marker, I should say. So the shadow go like that. Then like that for another shadow. The shadows are slim, which is yes. Okay. So we do that, and then that. like that. I'm really happy with that. Okay, I'm really happy with that. I'm not gonna do a background. Where's my magic scissors? There are my magic scissors. We're gonna clip her a little bit and get some more extras. And right there. And because that's uneven. Right there. Okay, that's better. I like that. For size. I always put it aside just so that I can have it for later. Use for color picking. Yay! Then I just don't throw that away either. I used to just like color pick on all the same page, but like I don't do that anymore. Yeah, I think that this is the finished drawing. So yeah, thank y'all for coming, and thank you for staying until the end. Yeah. Hope you have a good rest of the day, or what's left of the day. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah.